board meeting for Monday, May 18th, 2026 to order. Please join me in the silent prayer and meditation. Thank you. Please join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. Roll call, please.
Mayor Gaffino.
Here.
Trustee Christensen.
Here.
Trustee Curtis.
Here.
Trustee Gately. Trustee
Here.
Lowry.
Here.
Trustee Nedved.
Here.
Trustee Salazar.
Here.
All right, thank you. I have a proclamation to read, Motorcycle Awareness Month. Whereas safety is the highest priority for the highways and streets of our village and state, and whereas motorcycles are a common economical mean of transportation that reduces our fuel consumption and road wear, contributes in a significant way to relief of traffic and parking congestion. Whereas it's especially meaningful that citizens of our village and state be aware of motorcycles on the roadway and recognize the importance of motorcycle safety. And whereas the members of Duquesne Abate of Illinois continually promote motorcycle safety, education, awareness, and high school drivers, education programs, and to the general public in King County area. And whereas all motorcyclists should join Duquesne Abate of Illinois in actively promoting the safe operations of motorcycles, as well as promoting motorcycle safety, education, awareness, and respect of citizens of our village and state. Whereas during the month of May, all roadway users should unite in the safe sharing of roadways within the village of North Aurora and throughout the state. Now, therefore, be claimed that I, Mark Village President, and the Board of Trustees of North Aurora do hereby support the goals of Duquesne Abate of Illinois, putting the month of May 26 as Motorcycle Awareness Month. Encourage all motorists to join in the effort to improve safety and awareness on our roadways. Audience comments? Seeing none, move to consent agenda. Steve?
Thank you, Mayor. Item number 1 and 2 on the consent agenda are our minutes from our previous meeting and our bills list.
Motion to approve.
Second.
Call roll, please.
Trustee Salazar.
Yes.
Trustee Christensen.
Yes.
Trustee Curtis.
Yes.
Trustee Gately.
Yes.
Trustee Lowry.
Yes.
Trustee Nedved.
Yes.
Mayor Gaffino.
Yes. All right, thank you. Item 1 on new business. Jason?
Thank you, Mayor. This item's approval of the fiscal year 26-27 appropriation and budget ordinance for the Messenger Public Library. This budget was approved by the Libraries Board on its May 14th meeting. State statute requires that the library submit its budget to us every year. Then we approve it and then use it in the fall. So this budget will be used in the fall for the 2026 tax levy purpose. That's when we'll do the calculations, figure out how much they will levy.
Motion to approve.
Second.
Discussion? Call roll, please.
Trustee Lowry.
Yes.
Trustee Nedved.
Yes.
Trustee Salazar.
Yes.
Trustee Christensen.
Yes.
Trustee Curtis.
Yes.
Trustee Gately.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Item 2, Steve?
Thank you. Item number 2 is the approval of an ordinance for increasing the number of liquor licenses for the Class H. It's our first Class H, and this is for Pickleball Kingdom.
Motion to approve.
Second.
Discussion? Call roll, please.
Trustee Gately.
Yes.
Trustee Lowry.
Yes.
Trustee Nedved.
Yes.
Trustee Salazar.
Yes.
Trustee Christensen.
Yes.
Trustee Curtis.
All right, thank you. Item 3, Nathan?
Thank you, Mayor. Good evening, everyone. This is the text amendment to the zoning code for wind and solar energy. It makes wind and solar facilities and battery facilities a special use in the industrial and ORI districts. The board saw this on May 4th, and then it went to the Planning Commission on May 5th. The Planning Commission asked that the distance setback from residential be increased to as much as possible. So staff went back through the state law and found that it can go up to 150 feet. So we put that in as the setback from residential. Otherwise, they approved it, and it's back for a final vote tonight.
Motion to approve?
Second.
Discussion? Call the roll, please.
Trustee Gately,
Yes.
Trustee Lowry,
Yes.
Trustee Nedved,
Yes.
Trustee Salazar,
Yes.
Trustee Christensen,
Yes.
Trustee Curtis.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Item 4, Nathan.
Okay, this is the bid for the demolition of 12 North Lincoln Way and 2 Monroe, which is the old fire station. A total of 10 companies attended the village's pre-bid meeting. 6 of those companies submitted bids for the demolition project. The scope of the project includes removal of the old fire station and removal of the house at 12 Lincoln Way, disposal of all the on-site improvements and debris. The base bid was just for seeding and grass. The alternate bid was to put asphalt grindings at the site of the old fire station to be able to use temporarily for parking for special events until we redevelop the property. Going with the alternate bid, the original low bidder was staff found that they had problems with the apprenticeship program, as well as some prevailing wage complaints. So therefore, staff is requesting the board approve awarding the bid to the next lowest bidder, which is KLF, in the amount of $195,000.
Motion to approve? Second.
Discussion? Call the roll, please.
Trustee Nedved,
Yes.
Trustee Salazar,
Yes.
Trustee Christensen,
Yes.
Trustee Curtis,
Yes.
Trustee Gately,
Yes.
Trustee Lowry.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Moving right along. Number 5, Nathan.
All right, and this is just following up from that last ordinance. The zoning code allows us to approve temporary uses. So this is approving a temporary parking lot where the old fire station will be once it's demolished to be used until it's redeveloped.
Motion to approve?
Second.
Discussion? Call the roll, please.
Trustee Lowry,
Yes.
Trustee Nedved,
Yes.
Trustee Salazar,
Yes.
Trustee Christensen,
Yes.
Trustee Curtis,
Yes.
Trustee Gately.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Item 6, Brian.
Thank you, Mayor. This item is an engineering agreement with WBK Engineering. The construction of a band shell or stage is part of Riverfront Park's master plan. The ideal location for the band shell is currently in a mapped floodway. FEMA and the IDNR are the entities overseeing the mapping of the floodways. WBK Engineering was asked for a proposal as they have architects, electrical engineers, structural engineers on their staff, which are all needed for this project. The proposal will be broken down into 2 phases. Phase 1 is a topo survey of the park and soil borings. A hydraulic model will be done and submitted to the IDNR. This work costs approximately $45,000. If it is determined that the band shell cannot be built, the village has the option to cancel the second phase of the agreement, which is approximately $115,000 worth of work. The staff is recommending approving the proposal from WBK in the amount of $159,900.
Mayor, if I could just point out one thing. This proposal is important regardless of whether or not we actually build the band shell or anything, because basically, as we all know, we've been in discussions with the Fox River Bridge. The next time the IDNR is coming back here is in tentatively for June 15th COW meeting. But no matter what, if we want to do anything in the park, it's all designated floodway. So at the minimum, the first phase of this study is necessary if we want to build anything in the park in the future.
Motion to approve.
Second.
Discussion? Call the roll, please.
Trustee Christensen,
Yes.
Trustee Curtis,
Yes.
Trustee Gately,
Yes.
Trustee Lowry,
Yes.
Trustee Nedved,
Yes.
Trustee Salazar.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Item 7, Brian.
Thank you, Mayor. This item is the purchase of water meters and MIU units. The Water Department is looking to purchase 222 new water meters and MIU units. The MIU units are used to collect data for the meter reading process. These meters and MIUs will replace ones that are over 20 years old. Ferguson Waterworks is a sole source distributor for Neptune water meters. This brand of water meters the village has installed for over the last 25 to 30 years. Staff is seeking approval to waive the bidding process and purchase the water meters and MIUs from Ferguson Waterworks in the amount of $62,896.60.
Motion to approve.
Second.
Discussion? Call the roll, please.
Trustee Salazar,
Yes.
Trustee Christensen,
Yes.
Trustee Curtis,
Yes.
Trustee Gately,
Yes.
Trustee Lowry,
Yes.
Trustee Nedved,
Yes.
Mayor Gafino.
Yes. All right, thank you. Item 8, Brian.
Thank you, Mayor. This item is for the inspection of well number 6. After staff discovered solids in the check valve at well 6, it was determined that the pump for well 6 has likely failed. Staff worked with Trotters and Associates to come up with a scope of work to determine what caused the problems at the well. The work includes pulling and inspecting the well and pump, along with a video survey of the well shaft itself. Since a well is vital to the village's water system, Trotter reached out to 3 qualified companies seeking proposals for this work. After Trotter reviewed 3 proposals, they recommended awarding the work to Water Well Solutions as they were the lowest qualified bidder. Staff is seeking the approval to waive the bidding process and award the work to Water Well Solutions in the amount of $44,588.
Motion to approve.
Second.
Discussion? Call the roll, please.
Trustee Curtis,
Yes.
Trustee Gately,
Yes.
Trustee Lowry,
Yes.
Trustee Nedved,
Yes.
Trustee Salazar,
Yes.
Trustee Christensen,
Yes.
Mayor Gafino.
Yes. All right, thank you. Moving down. Number 9, Brian.
Thank you, Mayor. This item is a professional service agreement with EEI. The village has several water projects that qualify for federal and state EPA revolving funds, including treatment plant upgrades, well 8 and 9 backup generators, and the connection to the Batavia water system. The village has requested a professional service agreement from EEI to prepare a project plan and submit required documents to the IEPA for low interest loans on our projects. Staff is seeking approval to enter into the PSA with EEI in the amount of $32,800.
Motion to approve.
Second.
Discussion? Call the roll, please.
Trustee Nedved,
Yes.
Trustee Salazar,
Yes.
Trustee Christensen,
Yes.
Trustee Curtis,
Yes.
Trustee Gately,
Yes.
Trustee Lowry.
Yes.
All right, thank you. That concludes new business. Village President report, I have nothing. Trustee comments? Administrator report?
Just a couple quick things. First, we have our Public Works open house and dedication as a reminder this Wednesday. So 3:30 is a small dedication ceremony. We're going to do a little ribbon cutting in front of the building. The public is invited from 4 to 7 to tour the facility. Brian's staff, our street superintendent, Todd Murphy, has put together pretty interactive, we wanted our staff to get involved. So the staff is actually going to show how equipment works. We're going to have the kids get up on a couple pieces of equipment and give them a little education on how Public Works operates. So it should be pretty fun. The Veterans Memorial Project is started to take hold, and we're looking to break ground as early as the first week of June. But I wanted to make sure the board knew that we reached out to every single person who had signed up for a brick. So there's about 220 bricks already down there. We kept all the records from 15 to 20 years ago. We called everybody, tried to give them their brick back. So we already start that in motion. We're about to announce, hopefully by the end of this week, a new brick program. I keep calling it a brick program. It's really plaques, these little plaques that we'll be putting on the memorial wall. So all 220 names and inscriptions will go back on the new wall. But we're giving residents the opportunity to actually buy new inscriptions to add. There's about 200 blank spaces that we can add to the wall. So we just got our parameters from the sign company last week, and we'll be looking to get that program rolling real soon. Last thing, there was a group of residents that was here at the last meeting, and that was regarding the fire at the house on Adams Street. I don't know if you saw in a report I sent to the board, but just thankfully for the residents, a couple days later, the demolition of that project actually started. It's going very slow. They had a lot of trouble finding the utilities buried underground. They had, to my knowledge, a lead service line that they had to disconnect, and we had to follow all the IPA guidelines to disconnect the line. But it is moving. I think Brian said they were having trouble with the sanitary sewer connection. But once they get that all done, the structure will come down.
Steve, a question on the plaque is, what is the charge for the inscriptions?
So right now, it's a little convoluted. The plaque, the bricks right now, if you were to buy a brick, is $75. The new plaques are, because they come on a giant sheet of aluminum and the company has to use that entire sheet for the machine to inscribe them, there's economies of scale. The more plaques you order, the cheaper the price. So it's, bear with me here, one plaque is $500. It sounds awful, I know, but we wouldn't order one at a time. So what it would be is about $150 to produce a plaque for people in the future. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to do an early bird special where if people sign up in the first month, essentially we're going to charge $50. And if they want their inscriptions on there and they get us their information by the end of June, we are able to get that in by the time the memorial is actually built, and they'll do them at the same time they're doing the other inscriptions. So there'll be hundreds at one time to bring the cost down. But going forward, we'll probably have an annual program where people can sign up, and the goal is to have a deadline set every year. And as long as you get it in by that time, we can have them up every Veterans Day. We'll have the new set of names put up on the wall. To be honest with you, I wouldn't be shocked out of the 180 spaces we have if we fill up a lot of those in that month that we're going to have this program.
The early bird special? Probably the early bird special is, Phil.
Absolutely. And we're going to advertise that there's a price increase after the early bird special. So hopefully that gets people to jump.
All right, thank you. Department report? Seeing none? Okay. Motion to adjourn, go to exec session to review minutes and discuss personnel.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Same sign? All right.